another improvised match case? Please stick around and see how it was put together. Welcome back, everybody. So, after I made the Mark 1 match holder to go along with our match case reviews, I thought, you know, there's some more possibilities here. So, we're going to show you what I'm calling the Mark 2, which is another easy to make match holder. It's very easy to make. And all it consists of is this 315 or 315 PVC pipe. It is available at Lowe's, Home Depot, places like that. You just got to look for it. That's the first component. Second component is a wine taster's cork. That's all this is. And basically, after you pull a real cork out of a wine bottle, let's say you don't drink all the wine, that's where one of these little guys come in. It's to try to keep the wine somewhat fresh for the next time. So, basically, how I did this one is I glued a piece of doweling in here with super glue, like we did for the Mark 1, inside and out. Once that's set up, then I drilled a hole all the way through that plug. This plug was a ½ thick, or 12.7 millimeter, and the hole I drilled through there is just big enough for some number 36 bank line. Then I took a little super glue and I made sure I worked with a toothpick, and I got super glue saturated all through that wood so it's all waterproof. Alright, so we have a ½ inch here of dead space. I calculated how much room we're going to need here for our matches, because when we put our cork in, that takes up so much dead space, and that is our match holder. And it'll roughly hold the same amount of matches as the Mark II, but that ain't the most important thing. The most important thing is the water test. We have our 3 cups of water here. We have our Mark II match holder. Let's go ahead and fold this fast food paper napkin up and put it inside here. Okay. There it is. There we go. And it floats. We'll come back in about 2.5 or more hours, and we'll see if we have any leakage. It's been almost 3 hours. We're going to check this out. Let's see what the heck we got. Uh-oh. Hear that? I hear water. Okay. Huh. But it's dry. Very interesting. Let me pull this out. Yeah, that's bone dry. So, wait a minute. Oh, the tasting cork is hollow, and it got water inside here, but not inside the container. So I wonder if I get a thumbnail in there. Oh yeah, look at that. That's where the water is. It's inside. Okay. Well, I guess if I was going to make these, I guess I'd have to pop this apart and glue this back down and make this airtight. But no water got inside here, so I'd call that a successful test. And that's that. So there is the Mark II. Very simple match case you can make. I'm not going to get more detailed than that. And I'll see you later on out in the woods. And thank you for watching.